Good morning, guys. My new thermometer came in the mail today, so today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video and even maybe a review on this. It's the new Thermopro superior warranty, friendly after sales service, leading thermometer brand, feedback based design, community. Alright, I've read a lot of reviews on a lot of other thermometers and they sucked. Even the Weber one had shitty reviews, so I was recommended by someone to try this guy out. Well, see if I can get it out. What we got here? Instruction manual. Hopefully I won't need that. I like that. It feels like it's nicely built. I like the rubber casing on the side, so if you drop it, it's got a little clip. Hey, I mean, what did I pay for this? Probably like 40 bucks. I mean, $40 for this guy versus the $100 for the Weber one. Got two probes. I mean, I'm pretty happy with it, guys. We'll see how it works out. It came with batteries. I'm gonna be doing the first cook with it today on some beef short ribs. We'll see how they turn out. But this is my unboxing of it, guys. It looks, I mean, it's good quality, especially for the price. Can't beat it, and it's got like a lifetime warranty on it, so I'm pretty happy with it, guys. Stay tuned for future cooks using this bad boy. So here I've got them both hooked up, guys. I got number one, number two, and here's my other. So we got number one is my food, okay. Number two is going to be my grill. In my case, it's reading at 81 degrees, but that's only because I was holding it. So I'm trying to test out. So it's about 68 degrees. That's reading one, and then that's number two, reading 81. 68 is that one. 81. See, now it's going up. 85. That's my body temperature. 68 for the one that's getting air. 88 for my body temperature. 68, 88, 89, going up. Reads over here as well. This is my double. I got 89 for my probe 2, 68 for my meat probe, which is just getting air, food, barbecue. So I'm up to 90. This is cool, guys. It's pretty accurate. That's my body temp versus the temperature outside. It's pretty on point so far. Let's see if we can figure out how to set this thing up and change some temps. Alright, so say we want to set our temp, right? Our high temp, that is. You hold this down until it starts to blink. Now we're going to go up to our temperature. Our highest temperature, in my case, is going to be 275. I don't want my Weber getting over 275 today. And then you hit mode to lock it in. So now it's locked in. My high is 275. Low, I don't want. This is like if you're doing long cooks, cooking a brisket or something of that nature. You don't want it to drop down below a certain temp before you can add more fuel. So our low here is 50. I don't. That's way too low. I don't want my Weber to get down under 200 degrees. Actually, probably like 225. But I'm going to say, in this case, I don't want it to drop under 215. Yeah, let's say I don't want it to drop under 215 degrees today for the sake of this cook. And then mode, locks it in. So that's my low. Um, there's that. You can switch Celsius to um, from Celsius to Fahrenheit by just holding it down. Okay, go back to Fahrenheit. There we are. So it seems pretty self-explanatory. I'm really happy with it so far. I haven't cooked with it yet, but I'm gonna give it a cook. If I had to grade it, this thermometer based on sheer construction and ease of use, in my opinion. I haven't even read the instruction manual, and it's pretty easy to use. Uh, Very simple. It's got a rugged design, and I've read nothing but good stuff about it. I think I made a good buy, just under $50. I mean, and you could change the colors of the backlight also. Let's see if I can show you that. The light. Okay, so you can just hold this down. No, that's your timer. There's your light right there. No, there it is. How cool is that? Alright guys, if this helped you at all, like and subscribe or comment down below. Let me know if you have any other questions I can maybe help out with or steer you in the right direction. Thanks for watching guys, and I hope everybody is staying safe.